So hi folks, in this video we're going to see what is tab and their types and how to create a tab and set their visibility. So let's get into the video. So basically tabs are nothing but the standard UI components which is used to view our records and which is coming from the custom object and Aura component. Let's say you create a record for a specific custom object, like let's say we have previously video we have created a custom object like warehouse or like a standard object account opportunity or whatever. If you want to view any of those record, you have to navigate through a certain top UI component which I might have shown you might have seen in the previous video. That is nothing but the tabs. So yeah, if I want to view any record from the custom object, or if you want to edit or do modification, you have to create a tab. It's a mandate. Okay. So if I want to see any records, if I want to create an Aura component, and if I want to see that Aura component specifically on a tab, you have to create a tab. Or if you want to link any URL, and if you want to see it in a Salesforce, you have to create a tab, which is a web tab. So let's see what are the tabs we got here. So custom tab, as I said, if you want to view the records in the custom object, you have to create custom tab and lightning component tab. If I want to see any records from the Aura, you have to see this one web tabs for the URL. And lightning page tab is nothing for lightning app page. Lightning app page is nothing but nothing but a UI page it's a home page for an app which you have created. Okay. So visual face tab is nothing but our UI page like a HTML, those one. So, and we have few options for the tab, like the visibility, which is nothing but we want to view this tab on top of the page. It's if you want to keep it as a default on, or if you want to hide this tab and you want to keep it in app item, you don't want to make it as a main for the navigation, you have to give it as default off, or you want to completely hide this tab from the user, you have to keep it as tab hidden. Okay. So let's see on how we create tabs. So here in this page, this is a quick find box. If I want to search anything related to standard feature like tabs and everything, you can go and find it here. So now if I want to work on tabs, just click tab. And here, as I mentioned, object manager is used to work for in any custom objects. So here you can see this is a custom objects tab. If you want to create a tab for custom object, click new, and those are the custom objects tabs which I have created before. And before video we have created a custom object which is warehouse, and tab style we have to give it as boat. And let's go next. And here you can see, right, the visibility. You want to make it as default on or off or hidden. I will make it as default on for all the profiles. You can make it based on profile level. If you want a system admin, you have to make it as default on always. And if you want certain profile, you don't want to make it hidden, you can make it as hidden. Or if you want to make it a default, or you don't want all the profiles to show all the main tab on the top, you can make it as default off. Okay. So, and these are the apps. You want to include this tab on all the apps. So if you want, you can include it, or you can exclude with for. Okay. So I will include it for everything. Let's save it. It will be created below. It's not. Okay, let's check it here. Go to the app launcher and type warehouse. See the plural name which I have mentioned in previous video, the warehouses. See, we got it. And here I'm opening the see, if I want to create any new record, here this is a list view. If I want to see what are the list, everything available, so click new here, and this is the only field which we have created, number field. If I want to give it as 45 and dollar is currency, save. The record is created in one of this object, custom object. Okay. So this is how you to create tab. And if I, let's say I will make this tab as a default off, and I'll show it how it works. So if I want to work anything related back on the back end of the object or anything, just click this gear button and click setup. You will be directed to the main page, and see, I will again I will make it as default off. Okay. So let's say I will create this, I will delete it. Okay. All right. Make it as default off for all the profiles and apps. Okay. If I want to see the warehouse, you can see only in all items. You can't see it in top of the app here in this place. That's the thing about the default off. Or if you want to make that tab as hidden, you can't see it anywhere. Okay. So now I click here warehouse. See, we can see it in all items. You don't want to make it an app here, you can make it as an all item. So it's a tab. It's a default off. So that's for the video, guys. So if you want to get to know more about the videos about the Salesforce, and if you want to follow our channel, please follow it from the YouTube, and I will post all the notes in these three social media handles. So thank you for watching this video.